Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising for singles for the rest of the month of November 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, Taurus, your current energies regarding love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. Your current energies regarding love and relationship area. We have the Eight of Swords, the Hierophant, Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is Eight of Cups. Okay, it's like mostly your mind is your overthinking is not you're not able to stop the overthinking of your mind when it comes to your love and relationship area. Then you're telling me that I'm a Taurus, I'm focusing on myself, I'm a blessed soul, and I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm working on my spiritual side. Then you are feeling like moving forward in your life as quickly as possible, letting things happen as quickly as possible. You're not giving a pause to yourself. You might be over healing, you might be being you are being over spiritual, you are being over optimistic. You are doing so many things at the same time, even if not physically, mentally or emotionally. You are getting yourself involved in so many things at the same time, and life is moving at a very very fast pace, and you're telling me I don't have time for love, I don't have time to think about love. I love this voice of mine when the throat goes a little down. Hmm. So your mind is continuously giving you negative stories, negative thoughts, negative patterns, negative energies, and you're like, okay, fuck this shit. I have to keep this shit in the background. I should just focus on my spirituality, my life, my goals. I should do things as quick. I should heal things. I should just focus on moving, like keeping my life moving ahead and give space, give direction, and give this and that to my life. My goodness, you are thinking about everything but love. You're like, nope, I'll think about it maybe, after 8 years, not right now. I'm too busy in doing my own thing. I'm too busy in detaching myself from everything or everyone that's not matching with my vibes or my energies. Taurus, take a deep breath. Take 5, 6, 7, 10 deep breath. Okay? You're overdoing something and you might not even be realizing it. And when I'm saying this to you now, I am realizing it. So we guys might be doing something. I'm a Taurus sun myself. If you guys don't know, I am 12th May born. So yeah, I'm not even thinking about love. And whenever I'm thinking about love, I'm like, no, I don't want it. So it's exactly matching with my energies today. So maybe it's matching with yours too. Maybe not mandatory, right? So you guys are like, okay, I don't have time for this. Why we are here then? Why you are here on this video? Like out of curiosity, I just want to know. Don't lie to me. Okay, let's see what are your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond, Taurus. We have Fool card, King of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, bottom of the deck is a Two of Wands. There is a person, there is an energy around you who feels like coming forward towards you. They have a lot of love for you that they are not going to express to you in words, but they are going to express to you by their actions. So, Taurus, somebody is in love with you, and when I'm saying this to you, you might know who this person is. I don't think this is a completely new person or completely new energy. It might be someone who rejected you at some point of time. It might be someone you rejected at some point of time, and now they feel like coming forward towards you, maybe only as a friend, because there is a sense of not being able to express themselves fully to you emotionally, like verbally, but they are there for you, and they're like, I am here for you, I'm ready to start from the start, I'm going to give you the stability and safety that you want as a Taurus, and I feel like we guys should remain connected. So somebody who is might be making you feel like only a friend is having a lot of love for you. There are very high chances you already know this person around you. There is a sense of rejection either from your side or from their side, but now this person is feeling like coming forward towards you, taking the risk of starting from the start, It's not a lover. It's not a lover that you had a relationship with. Not at all. It might be somebody you connected with, then disconnected, and now they feel like coming towards you again and giving you this opportunity to have a safe, stable, and secure kind of connection, and making it look like a friendship only, but they have deep rooted love for you. Okay, this is good. This is good actually. Bottom of the deck is a two of wands. It's like they're waiting. They might be waiting for the universe to give them a green signal, or for you to give them a green signal, or in general, they are waiting for the right time to enter in your life. So by the end of this month, you can expect somebody. This can be a totally new person also, by the way, Taurus. It's not mandatory that you know this person already, but for most of you, you know this person already, right? So don't be surprised when somebody who is like a friend only, or whom you rejected, or they rejected you at some point of time, maybe they're going to come forward towards you as a friend only, or something like starting the friendship kind of a deal, but they have deep respect and love for you, right? So the good energies, good energies, they're just waiting for the right time to enter or re-enter in your life again. For most of you, it's all about divine timing. A new person is coming. For most of you, it's about divine timing. This person is entering in your life or re-entering in your life. For others of you, if this is not a known person, it's a totally new person who is going to fall in love with you the moment they are going to be with you. But they are going to be like, okay, let's take it very, very slow. Let's take it gently, because I don't want to get myself hurt and hurt Taurus, and or hurt Taurus, right? Let's see, what are your energies for a person that you might be waiting for to come back around, maybe coming back together, or reconciliation. That specific person that you are waiting for or want to have back in your life, their energies for you. Let me be very, very specific today. Let's see, honey. We have the Page of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. Somebody is still in love with you, Taurus. What is happening, my love, Taurus? New people also interested, past people also interested, but there's a but. This is someone who feels like coming forward towards you, like having a happy-go-lucky connection with you. Or if you are in contact with the past person that you want a relationship with, then that you want a stable connection with, they are acting like a friend only. They are putting in the effort and energy to see where things can go. So if this person is already in your life, or you guys are already in connection, this person wants to take things really very, very slow right now at this present moment. They just want to be in this slow and steady wins the race kind of a deal. They want to see where things can go beyond this friendship kind of a deal. If it is already a connection, this is what they are up to. If this is not, you are in no contact or something, this person is looking forward to have a friendship kind of a deal with you. They want to see if you are going to put in the effort and energy from your side too. They want to put in the effort and energy as a friend, and then they want to see where things can go. So they might enter in your life, they might re-enter in your life, or reconnect with you, but that is going to be a very, very slow moving process. It's going to be like they might take a year or two to finally tell you that they want to be more than a friend. Wow, it's like Taurus people, you are getting slow energies because you are not interested, or you are not very much focused. So people are coming in your life, but they are going to enter in your life in a friendly way, and they are going to take things forward to, let's see what happens next. Like, if this isn't making any sense to you. Bottom of the ten of Pentacles, this person wants to see, this person sees a future with you, but they don't want to take the risk of just coming forward towards you and offering you like, I want to marry you. No, this person wants to see where things can go if you guys are going to be together again. And they are going to be like, okay, they are going to talk to you now, and then maybe they are going to talk to you after 3 months, and then after 3 months, and then so. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. We have the Moon card, the Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. You're scared. You're scared, you're anxious, you're depressed with the thoughts of love. You're like, what if I'm going to fall for the wrong person again? I don't want to start this self love journey again and again and again, all over again. Like, how many times I have to go through the same shit, and how many times I have to start from the start. So you are feeding your fear so badly that even if somebody genuine is coming towards you, Taurus, you're not able to trust them. And you're having sleepless nights, you're having anxious thoughts, you're having this energy of, you might be connected to somebody and you think about them a lot, and that somebody is not a good memory, not a good energy. And that's why you're not able to connect with those people also who are actually genuine for you and good for you, until unless you are going to face the fears head on, until unless you are going to stop feeding the fears, creating stories in your mind and being anxious about things that you cannot change or control. You will not be able to even love yourself. Forget about other people here. You're faking the self love, Taurus. You're not actually doing it, you're faking it. I don't care like how many times you are doing the affirmations, how many times you are doing anything, any ritual or this and that. If this is true self love that you are doing, you should not be scared of anything or anyone. You should be open to the idea of being in love, if you are ready, only if you are ready. Those who are deeply in love with themselves, they don't get scared with the idea of love. First of all, they don't need anybody by their side. Second thing, they're not scared of opening up to anyone, like any new love or new person or new friendships or new connections, because they know that they have themselves. So you are scared because you are still not loving yourself enough. So learn the art of self love properly and honestly. Do it honestly. Hmm? And it happens only from inside, not from the outside. You don't need a lot of rituals actually. You just need yourself and talk to your inner child every day. That's enough. Yeah, bottom of the deck is a world. There is a completion of a cycle. There is something that you need to end in order to move to the next chapter or next cycle of your life. But you're continuously ignoring that, continuously feeling like everything is fine, everything is good. Why should I go there? Why should I look into this? There is something that you need to complete the chapter with, complete the cycle with. Then only you will be able to move to the next chapter in a proper way. So you're lying to yourself, you are being dishonest with yourself. Figure that out, what that is, and then work on it. I cannot say anything more to you. This whole reading is actually a slap on my face too today. God. Anyways, especially the first part. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.